What's going on, guys? So today, update on the visors. Last video blew up really big with these. So the old ones got, what would you say got all over them? Like, I don't even know. They just changed color or whatever. Something got on them. It wasn't because of the part itself. It was just something got on them and they got messed up. So right now, I just ordered new ones, so replacing them. So let's get that put on right now and I'll get back with you guys. So basically what you want to do is make sure that all your seals are cleaned and whatever. Whoever does that, some people use alcohol and wipe it down or whatever it may be. But me, I don't really, it's clean right now, but just gonna put these on. So what you want to do is you want to rip half of the double-sided tape off. You don't want to take the whole thing off. You want to take like half of it off. I'm struggling because I got the phone and the camera in one hand. Yeah, so you rip half of it off, and then on the other side you rip that off too on that end. And then you pretty much want to make sure you place it where it needs to go first before you stick it on there. All right, so we're back, guys. This is first side that we did.
Might take two people.
Yeah, it might take two people to get it done. Someone to hold that end and this side right here and go. It's not going to be perfect. Done this twice now and they're cheap. No matter which ones you get, doesn't matter. You could buy the most expensive ones on there. I did that with a TL, and you still got to put extra tape on there or whatever. But usually, it's always the corners. Well, the ends are always the ones that always pop off. So right now, we're just letting it sit. See what happens. Go to the other side. All right, guys. So the other side is on. Like I said, you want to start at your ends first and then peel it back and meet in the middle and then pull it out. That's basically how you do it. Simple, pretty easy. Little update video for you guys. All right, catch you guys in another video. Like, share, subscribe.